State lawmakers may consider a bill this session that, if passed, would require state agencies to give back pay to those who lost their jobs because they didn't get vaccinated against COVID-19. And as KITV4's Shanila Kabir shows us, the measure would also give those workers their old jobs back.
During the early months of the COVID-19 pandemic, thousands of workers across the country were either forced to resign or were let go because they didn't comply with their employers' vaccine mandates. And Hawaii state lawmakers this session will consider a bill that would require state agencies to offer those employees back pay and/or the option to put them back in their original positions.
We already had shortages in our state. There's a first responder shortage, yet we fired police officers over a vaccine, really? I mean, that's just unacceptable, and they should apologize. At the very least, that those jobs should be reinstated with full back pay.
More than 1,400 state jobs were lost from July of 2021 to June 2022. State legislators say how many of those are COVID-19 related is still unconfirmed.
But a number of things happened during the pandemic where you had a majority of people seeing things one way, and a minority voice was so weak at the time. Well, now that we're in office, we're going to make sure that they're represented. That's what this is all about, going back and righting wrongs.
Some people walking through Waikiki say they agree with this push, as long as the number of positive cases go down.
During the height when we had no vaccine and people were literally, dropping dead, I believe that we had to instill something.
We feel that they should have taken the choice to get vaccinated, and since they didn't, they understood the consequences of that.
And if the bill becomes law, state agencies have up to 3 months to pay those employees back pay and other benefits they were entitled to prior to them leaving their positions. Shanila Kabir, KITV4 Island News.